Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Skool to grow your online community. Whether you want to build a group around learning, coaching, or shared interests, this guide will help you start and grow fast. First, sign up on Skool and create your community. This will be the central place where members join, interact, and access your content. Next, pick a clear focus or niche for your community. This could be a topic like personal finance, fitness, entrepreneurship, or study groups. A clear focus helps attract the right people. Now, start creating content, post lessons, tips, or discussion topics to keep your members active. The more value you provide, the more your community will engage. Encourage members to interact, reply to comments, ask questions, and run polls or challenges. Active communities grow faster because members feel involved. Finally, share your community to grow it. Promote it on social media, YouTube, or email. The more people join and see value, the faster your community will expand. And that's it. Growing an online community with Skool is really that simple. Focus on value, engagement, and promotion, and watch your community thrive.